Hello, my lovely students. Once again, in speaking session. Today's session, we will talk about foods and drinks. Why foods and drinks are important in your life. Why we should disobey the rules of food and drink. Why we are not come to the expectations of food and drinks. Like if we are using extra food or drinks in your life, it's harmful, it's dangerous for your health, and you can suffer yourself in different diseases. Like these days, lot of fast food you are taking in your life, like you are taking pizza, burger, other lot of fast foods that exist in the market, in the shops. You are taking very seriously, particularly your children, young generation, adults, teenagers, all are the addicted of foods and drinks. Even then, these are harmful for your health, for your practically life, for your stomach, everything. It's harmful for your health. Even then, we are using that kind of foods in our life. But we have to do what kind of things we should keep in mind all the time while you're taking fast foods like pizza, burger. There are multiple kinds of foods you are taking in your life. Like you are using excess of meat, chicken in your daily activities, in your daily eating, in your daily food. Instead of you are searching that it's harmful, it's very unusual for your health, and might be you have a weak stomach, there will be shortage of blood. There are a lot of things that are the part of your body. Instead of this, you are using these kinds of things in your life. One thing we should keep in mind all the time when you are taking foods, drinks, and fast food in your life, it's very, very dangerous for our health. Like these days, we have one of such kind of activities like we don't like to go outside from your house. We don't like to walk. We don't like to exercise because after taking dinner, breakfast, lunch, we are not giving a proper time to our health. Like according to the research, according to the Chinese research, I listen one quotes, I listen one line, I read one line in which it's described when you take any kind of food, like you take breakfast, dinner, lunch, afterward, at least you should walk. Means your walking distance should be almost 100 or 2 meter. It's helpful. After this, you are taking some kind of food, your digestive system will be strong, and if your digestive system will be strong, definitely you can keep alive, you can fit yourself, and there will be no fat in your body. If there will be no fat in your body, definitely there will be no such kind of diseases in your life, in your body. These days there are a lot of diseases in which we are suffering, like cancer, sugar. So there are multiple kinds of diseases in our society due to bad environment, due to climate change, due to not awareing about pollution, due to water pollution, due to dirty environment. There is a garbage on the streets. There are so many other things that is lying on the streets. We are using all the things, but we are giving away. We are not proper utilize all the things in our life. So it's a very bad thing in our life. We are adopting. We are not concerning about health. We are addicting ourselves in different foods like drinks. When you are taking any kind of fast food, afterward you try to take any kind of bottle, like there are multiple kinds of bottle you are taking. It's very harmful, it's very dangerous for your life, and we should not we are not caring about our health. We should caution about our health. We should know each and everything about health. Like if you are not maintaining your health, we are losing ourselves, we are wasting our body as well, because instead of so many working you are doing at your office, at your home, afterward you should go for walk. There should be schedule for walk in your life. There should be schedule for exercise. It is very useful, it's very beneficial for your health. Instead of many advantages you know about health, you are losing yourself. There are a lot of facilities you can avail at your home or city, like you can go to gym, you can go for exercise, you can go to grounds, and you can participate in different activities that is useful for your health. If we talk about different countries, they are doing exercise. It's a kind of exercise like yoga is also helpful for maintaining your health. Your all organs, all parts of body will work. All body your hands, your foot, your muscles will be on working at early in the morning. Even then it's a exercise of your mind. When there will be exercise of your mind, you will be sharp, and the whole day you will work strongly, you can work properly, and it's a need of your mind as well, because your energy can be boosted if you will exercise about your mind. Your all parts of body will work on it. If you will still stand, if you will not go any far, any kind of walk, any kind of exercise, then definitely you are losing yourself. You can indulge yourself in bad diseases. Like diseases can be different types, and these days the ratio of diseases are increasing day by day. The ratio of cancer, sugar is increasing very fastly, but we should be conscious about this. If we will not conscious about this, then there will be a lot of problem we can face in the future. But in taking foods, drinks, like if you are taking water, then it is very useful. According to the research, according to the science, if you will use too much water, at least 7 to 8 bottles in a day in 24 hours, it's need of our body. In our body, almost 60 to 70% is water, and if there will be shortage of water in our body, definitely it will be a bad thing. All the organs, all the parts of the body will not work properly. Then what we have to do, we should know each and everything about foods, drinks, and we should know that this food is useful, this is bad for health, it's harmful for our life as well as for health. So we should avoid from these kind of foods. Your life is very precious, your life is bed of roses. We should care about our health, we should care our family as well. And if you are not caring about your health, you can suffer multiple dangerous diseases like fever and typhoid. There are multiple kind of diseases. It's due to poor water conditions in your area, poor sanitary condition in your area. Everything is happening due to your environment, and pollution is everywhere these days. If you will see, fog system is coming. For a little bit fog in your area, you should wear a mask, and you should be careful about your health. So it's all about for today. It's another new topic for discussion. In this topic, we'll talk about food and drinks that is useful, helpful for our health, but to some extent. If you will use excess of it, then definitely you are losing yourself, you are wasting your energy, and we should take meal, food, drinks, but to some extent, and you should determine the ratio of the foods as well as drinks that is useful, that is harmful. So everything you can determine. Nobody give you some kind of suggestion. They just tell you you should be care about your health, but nobody told you what kind of food you should take, what kind of drinks you should be take. But if you will go to the doctor, firstly doctor will take some kind of charges in the shape of fees. Afterward he will told you each and everything about precautions measure. You should be careful about your health. So before going to doctor, instead of going to doctor, you should maintain your health yourself, and you should know each and everything, and you should take some kind of suggestion from social media like YouTube, TikTok. There are so many advices, a lot of people they are giving, and you should follow the policies, the techniques, the method, the formulas that is useful for your health, and what kind of thinking and what kind of mind ideas they are telling you. If you think that it's helpful, you should adopt. If you think that it's harmful, it's not need of us, then you should give up. So everything depend upon you, whether you will take in positive side or in negative side. If you will take in positive side, definitely it's your benefits. So it's all about for today topic. In next lecture, in next video, we will talk about another new informative and useful topic, so that we can improve and enhance our vocabulary, and through different topics we can speak well, we can improve our speaking skill.